Today, we're diving deep into the latest offering from Honor the Magic 6 Pro. Buckle up as we explore its incredible features, specs, and why it might just be your next smartphone obsession. First off, let's talk design. The Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a stunning, ergonomic design that feels like a dream in your hands. With its premium build quality and captivating aesthetics, this phone truly stands out in a crowd. Now, onto the specs. Brace yourselves for a tech-packed journey. The Magic 6 Pro is powered by the lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, ensuring seamless performance for all your tasks. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or blazing through your daily apps, the display is where the magic happens. Pun intended. Sporting a mentioned screen size/resolution, this AMOLED display is a feast for the eyes. From vibrant colors to deep blacks, it's a visual treat for all your media consumption needs. Let's not forget about the camera setup. The Magic 6 Pro packs an impressive megapixel count quad camera system that takes your photography skills to new heights. Whether it's capturing stunning landscapes or perfect selfies, this phone delivers exceptional quality. Security? Check. With its advanced biometric authentication features, including facial recognition and an in-display fingerprint scanner, your data stays safe and accessible only to you. And here's the cherry on top: the battery life. The Honor Magic 6 Pro houses a robust battery that keeps up with your demanding lifestyle. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a powerhouse of innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with stunning design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography buff, or a gaming fanatic, this phone has something remarkable to offer. Well, that wraps up our review of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments what you think about this remarkable smartphone. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures.